So let's get right to it. The Insta360 X3 has a lot of amazing features, things that are just mind-blowing. But one of the cool things that no one really talks about is that you can connect your Rode Wireless Go, actually any microphone system, right to it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. Links to everything you can find down in the description, plus a surprise link. So right now you are actually listening to the Rode Wireless Go. Check 1 2, check 1 2. And I have it on the Insta360. And it's just really cool because I could just be here just talking just regular. You can see everything around and you can hear me clearly. And that's a really cool thing. And I love that about Insta360 is that they made that so easy. You do have to get their special connector for it, but it just clips right in there. And then you get this Ulanzi attachment and you can put your Rode Wireless Go receiver on there. And if you notice these little divots right there, it's actually made perfectly for the Rode. So I wanted to share this really cool feature with you guys. I mean, the microphones on board are really good, but if you wanted to, go away from your camera and talk, you can still hear me. And the cool part about this is like, I can walk around anywhere I want and it will track me, right? It won't see any stitch lines. And it's like, it's almost tracking me perfectly. But honestly, it's super easy to do. You just have to go into the app and you find your clip. You'll click on me as a person or whoever it is, and it will follow you. And it does a really good job. Or you can download it and put it on your computer and use the app on your computer. And it's just as easy right there. You just kind of highlight the person and it will follow you around anywhere. So now I want to try to do something a little bit more bold here. And I'm actually going to attach it to their 3-meter pole just to see what we can do with this. So now you'll be able to hear me clearly and it's going to be very far away. All right, so now you can actually see me down here. What's up? Yeah, this is a very long pull from Insta360, their 3-meter pull. So I can like just be out here, casually talking to you. Let's see, I'll just put it like that. And you get a really good view of the city, or you can be looking at me and you can hear me with clarity because it's a wireless microphone and it just connects right to it. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now, the other thing that you can do is, you can just have it on the single lens mode on this thing, which is really cool. So you got 4K single lens mode, and I don't even have to have the Rode Wireless Go on this. I can put any kind of shotgun microphone that would be coming this way or any other kind because you don't have to worry about stitching that out. But you can see the quality difference when you get to that single lens mode. I love it, man. That looks so good. But there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video about the X3. It's a really cool feature. You should definitely check it out, especially if you're looking to enhance your voice and all that stuff. Even though the onboard microphones are pretty good, I still think it's kind of nice to have this as an option. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
But what's cool is I can be like, all right, now here's Scott, and check out this board.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.
Now that is a really cool board.